How to set a time limit for a website on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, we go into settings, and in settings, we tap on the back key. So in here, go back to the My Settings page. After that, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on App Limits, and then tap on Add Limit in here, and then we go down to the bottom and then choose Website. And from here, tap on Add Website. Next, select a website that you want to add. So for example, say Facebook. So facebook.com, and then tap on Done. Okay, so we have added a site called facebook.com. Now while you're here, you can also add in multiple websites if you wanted to, and then tap on Next. After that, set a time limit. So here I will set it for 1 minute as an example. You can also customize the days. So at the moment, by default, it is set to 1 minute for every single day. So you can choose, on a particular day, maybe you allow, say, 2 minutes, for example, and then tap on Back. So we have set a custom time for each of the day. Then tap on Add. So that is how you can set a time limit. Now you can see here for YouTube, I have set a time limit for 1 minute, and I already have spent my time already over 1 minute. So now that I have reached the limit, so here it said I have reached the limit, I can choose ignore limit for 1 more minute, remind me in 50 minutes, or ignore limit for today. If you set a passcode, then you will not be able to ignore the limit. You need to enter in the passcode if you want to continue watching YouTube. And that's it. So that is how you can set a time limit for a website on the iPhone 16 series. You can apply to any website with this limit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.